Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a BoxyCharm unboxing. I'm really excited because I haven't gotten my BoxyCharm this early in the month before, so this is really exciting to me. But yeah, if you guys want to see what I got in my box, make sure you guys stay tuned. While you guys are at it, make sure you guys go ahead, click that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and click that notification bell as well, so that way you guys are notified when the next time I do upload a video. And yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you guys are enjoying my BoxyCharm videos. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty guys, so this is my BoxyCharm this month. Just go ahead and jump right into the video. So this is my box. So this month's box, the theme of it is just called Totally. So it looks just like this. And I do have like all the products listed here for you guys. Normal spiel. And of course, if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it is a $21 monthly subscription service. You get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size makeup products. Of course, if you guys do sign up for the Boxy Luxe every third month, that one is $50 instead of $21, but you get over I want to say over $250 value with the Luxe, which is what I do, and I have been enjoying BoxyCharm so much. But if you guys are excited and want to sign up, I will leave my personal link down below in the description bar. Right now, if you guys do sign up with BoxyCharm, you guys do get the brush set and also the Butter London eyeshadow palette that we had received last month. If you guys sign up under me, you guys will be getting those 2 items along with the products that I will be showing in this box. So yeah, go ahead and sign up. All right, so first thing that I do see, we did receive a Steve Laurent. This is a lip liner. So it looks just like this. I did receive mine in the shade called Chic. I'm praying that's what it is. But yeah, it's basically, so this lip liner is $15. It says reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof. So no transferring or bleeding all day long, and it lasts up to 7 hours. So reading that, like, I'm actually kind of confused, because if it's actually waterproof, like, shouldn't it last a little bit longer than 7 hours? I don't know. That's just me, but I'm gonna go ahead and like swatch it for you guys. I want to say it's definitely like a darker nude shade. It is super pretty, so I'm really excited to have gotten a nude shade. I would say, going along with how the lip liner feels, like, it's actually really creamy, and I'm actually really surprised. So yeah, really excited to try this. Alright, next thing I had also received, this is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, which I'm so excited for, because, like, guys, can we just take a look at like how pink and like how neon like this mascara is. So this mascara retails for $23, so already we are more than the price of the box. So this mascara is an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. So that's really exciting. So again, it looks just like this, and I'm praying that you guys can see that. So of course we did get the shade in black. Holy cow, this mascara is like bright neon, guys. Like, holy cow, like, it can't even like get like the actual color to focus on it, but like, just look how brightly neon that is. Like, that's just insane to me. Now, I am a fan of Tarte mascara. As you guys know, I love the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. Oh, that's interesting. So the wand definitely is comparable to the Too Faced Better Than Sex, and also their new Damn Girl mascara, which I have been obsessed with the past 2 weeks. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this mascara. I can't get over like how brightly vibrant pink this mascara is. Alright, next thing I had received, this is the Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. So it looks just like this. In the past we have received products from Wander Beauty, so I'm pretty sure I had like a blush and highlighter palette, which I did end up giving away just because the colors, like, they weren't for me. I'm trying to think like what also we got from Wander Beauty. Oh, those like glow, or those gold like eye patch things. I loved those. Oh, holy moly, excuse me. Alright, so it says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps you to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. And it says the spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time, and this bad boy retails for a whopping $42. So that is really exciting. So I'm just going to drop it out here, and it is a gorgeous pink color. I did get a henna while I was on vacation. So, of course you guys already know I do have combination oily, so I'm more dry like right here, but everywhere else I am severely, I get extreme oil. But if you guys can tell, that is like super glowy, so I'm actually really excited to try this product. It does leave your skin feeling really soft, but I love the glow. Like, that is really pretty. So next thing I see in here, so these are the Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo. I'm not really too sure which one I got. I'm pretty sure there was a variation for these ones. I think it was like a pink, like a hot pink and a silver. So I'm really glad that I didn't get those. I mean, obviously I thought they were really pretty, but this duo retails for $25. So I would say, if you guys have seen like the ColourPop Super Shock eyeshadows, I have yet to try those, believe it or not, but these honestly look very similar. So the shades I had received is Cotton Candy. This one I would say would be like a peachy color. It does have like a duo, like a gold shift to it, so that's really exciting. Oh my gosh, that shade is so pretty. Oh my gosh, guys. That is so pretty. So this is in the shade Cotton Candy. And then the other one I had received is Iced Latte. So I would say it is a gold, but it is more on like the bronzier side. So this is what it looks like. Like, these are just so buttery, like smooth. Like, I am in love. We have received Ace Beauty in the past as well. I'm pretty sure like the one we had received, it was like the grand something. I will put a picture of that over here as well for you guys. But there's the gold one, and here's both of them together. Oh my gosh, guys, like, they are so pretty. So pretty. Love it. And I don't know if I said this, but those together retail for $25. So was that like $12.50 a piece? So, but I'm honestly not complaining. Like, look how intense those are, and that was just on like one little swipe on there, so that is really exciting. All right, and last but not least, we had received the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh powder. So I have actually seen a lot of talk about and like a lot of hype on this powder, because literally the powder itself, like 50% of it is actually water. So that is just, I don't know, just, it's just insane to me. So this bad boy retails for $39. It says Set and Chill, an ultra translucent refreshing powder that dusts on like a mist and sets makeup for extended wear. This weightless powder sets perfects and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water, this powder makes skin look awakened, fresh upon application. Apply throughout the day to refresh and rejuvenate makeup, ideal for all skin tones. So I'm pretty sure with this one, just because there's girls that are more on the darker side for the skin range, so I'm pretty sure like that one came out in like 2 colors as well. But this is the powder. I literally love Becca packaging. I think it is very chic, very pretty. So this is what the powder looks like. I'm just remove the lid right here. So it says keep me close to keep me cool. But yeah, so this is the back. This is you do get 10 grams of powder, which I don't really know like how much that is, and I don't want to. Okay, that wasn't terrible. So there is like a sifter inside, and that just totally just dumped out. But if you guys can see it, there we go. There is a sifter inside of the amazing grand total of this month's box was $144. Like, I'm pretty sure last month it was about like $120. This month was $144. Like, that just completely blows my mind. Boxes that I've gotten in the past have been about in the $115, $120 range, but $144 for a $21 monthly subscription box is just absolutely insane. So if you guys haven't signed up for Boxy Charm already, make sure you guys go ahead and do that. Like I said, if you guys sign below with my link, you guys will also receive the Butter London eyeshadow palette and the Lexi 3 brush set down below from me. So yeah, make sure you guys sign up under me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.